So is it true that FHA borrowers are not as strong as conventional borrowers?
I love the question. I just keep saying that in every single question. I probably should just not say it so much, but it's an awesome question. The perception in the public is FHA borrowers are weaker than conventional borrowers. I can show, like, if I actually had to think about it right now, the last one I did was probably 3 months ago. Conventional, it's not like that at all. I have doctors with 800 credit scores going FHA. I have borrowers with 690s going conventional. Conventional, believe it or not, you could be in foreclosure on your current home and still get a conventional loan. FHA won't touch you for 3 years after the foreclosure. So there is certain aspects of the guidelines where FHA is way more restrictive than conventional, and to qualify in FHA truly makes you stronger even. So it's not like that at all. FHA is more flexible on credit than Fannie Mae is. They're just more flexible. They're more flexible on debt to income ratio. They're more flexible in certain parts of gift money and things like that. But just on the surface, a lot of people perceive it to be FHA is worse, but it's not at all.
And can a borrower qualify for both FHA and conventional?
1,000%. A borrower can absolutely qualify for FHA or conventional, either or. They're interchangeable. Absolutely, yes.